Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? I hope you are okay. I'm here today next door to my next door neighbors, Mary. Sometimes I come up here to cheer her up because she's not been well for past 2 weeks, and I'm here to cheer up by putting a polish on her hands. So the last time I put a polish on her hands was I think you must have seen that in my previous video. And today I'm here I have just removed her polish on, and sometimes it's nice to cheer up someone with your little ex. So just do that once a week or even once a day. That's really helpful for someone and for yourself as well. It's really good for your health. And she's a lovely lady. She has a good laugh with me. And would you like to say something about me, Mary?
I haven't saw you, but I think you sound like a lovely couple or people. Is there many there?
Yep.
Is it all ladies?
I say something about me.
Say something about me. I'm an old hag. Oh my God.
See,
I've got no lips left.
We're both so beautiful, isn't it?
I've got no mouth. Eh?
We're so beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, fuck it, so am.
No, me.
You've got your finger out, you. Oh, how lovely you look, Sarah.
Oh, thank you.
We're like twins.
Do this. Do this. Mary, do this.
Oh, you look like twins, don't you?
No, see, do this.
You're very light one.
See.
I see I can do that. No one knows what's the problem.
So we're just gonna start. So let's see here. Her polish is all done and she doesn't stop talking. She keeps talking nonsense all the time. Isn't it?
What? You get that dirty nail away from my
I know.
Polish.
Look at her
You're
beautiful
wasting all
nails.
your
Look at her beautiful nails she's got. Are you happy?
I'm very, very delighted.
Oh, thank you.
If you come in and get your tea with me in the morning, I'll be more than delighted.
So do you love me?
Of course I do.
Say mwah.
Oh,
So that's her polish is all done. Let me see.
it's beautiful.
Is it beautiful? Do you like
Oh,
it?
it's beautiful. I might get yours done that colour.
What do you say then? I love you.
I love you. Thank you very
So
much.
take care,
You're,
bye.
You're an angel. You're an this.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Aye, if you want your nails done, go to Sarah.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Aye. Please prescribe to my tenants.
Neerms
And
Beauty Hub.
all the patients that you've got in the ward want their nails done. Ask Sarah.
Take care.